Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the optical drive, if installed, base enclosure, battery, wireless module, USB board, subwoofer, fan, RJ45 door, system board, display panel assembly, hinge covers, and display panel. Removal. Caution: when removing the display panel cable, take care not to apply excess pressure to the bezel trim. Excessive pressure can damage the bezel trim and display panel. Important: make careful note of the routing of the display panel cable for later replacement. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the touchscreen board. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel and adhesive that secures it to the display panel. Peel back the retention tape that secures the display panel cable to the display panel, and disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the display panel. Remove the display panel cable. Replacement. Connect the display panel cable into its connector on the display panel and replace the retention tape. Connect the display panel cable into its connector on the touchscreen board and replace the retention tape. Route the display panel cable through the routing channel and adhesive that secures it to the display panel.